Mastering Short Answer Questions, a guide to formal and informal writing. Hello, language learners. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of short answer questions. We'll explore how this type of question can be a powerful tool in assessing your understanding of formal and informal writing styles. So buckle up, and let's get started. Short answer questions are a form of assessment that require a concise response, usually a single word or a brief sentence. These questions test your ability to understand a topic and provide a straight-to-the-point answer. Unlike multiple-choice questions, where you choose from given options, short answer questions demand a direct response from your understanding of the subject. In formal writing, short answer questions should be answered with clear, concise, and grammatically correct responses. Here's an example. Question: what is the capital city of France? Answer: the capital city of France is Paris. Notice that the response follows proper sentence structure and uses formal language. Informal writing allows for a more relaxed style. While maintaining correct grammar, you can be more casual and conversational in your response. Here's an example of the same question answered informally. Question: what's the capital of France? Answer: it's Paris. Here, contractions and a more casual tone are acceptable. 1. Read the question carefully. Understand what's being asked. 2. Keep it short. Answer as briefly as possible without omitting key information. 3. Use proper grammar. Even in informal writing, proper grammar is essential. 4. Adapt your style. Match your response to the tone of the question, whether formal or informal. Now, let's practice. Try answering these two questions in both formal and informal styles. 1. Question: what is the primary language spoken in England? 2. Question: who wrote Romeo and Juliet? Share your answers in the comments, and let's learn together. And that's a wrap on our exploration of short answer questions in formal and informal writing styles. I hope this video has helped clarify how to approach these types of questions and that you'll feel more confident in your writing. Keep practicing, and remember, the key to mastery is consistency and understanding. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.